All right, Char. Our next one is about writing words, okay? So I want to see how many words you can write.
Without
Any
the
words.
spelling?
No, you can write any words. Any words that come off the top of your head. Can you write your name? Okay, you can write more words. Any ones that come to your head. I have you on a timer, so I'll stop you when your time's up.
Oh,
That's okay.
I'm misspelling it.
It's okay, no worries. Do you know how to write go? Wow, look at that. You're looking at books, copycat. These are words you know off the top of your head, silly boy. Yep, we got it all on camera. We have 5 more writing minutes.
Wait.
We're going to go to the back of this paper when you're done.
Hey.
They are cheating, you cheater. Alright, let's go back. 2 more words. Let's see. Let's think of some more words.
I can't think of it.
Do you know how to write me?
Is that
Where?
is this the cursive G?
Like a lowercase or a big G? A lowercase G is like this. And a big G is like this.
That's weird.
Alright. Do you know how to write come? Do you know how to write look?
Look. Hang on.
That's right. Can you write C?
No.
Okay.
Oh, I know.
You're a goofball. Did I say PM?
Yeah.
Alright,